What up, what up, what up? Unbreakable Kick Soul Army. I know y'all seen the video about the package that got shipped to, or not even shipped, delivered to another address. So here's the update. So just reading some of the comments on my IG post and actually going up and speaking with someone who work at USPS, they informed me that they don't touch Nike stuff. I feel like I've got something from them, from Nike. I could be 100% wrong. All I know is my package was delivered to another address. My mail lady told me, hey, I seen your package up there. She said that, you know, she didn't run the route. It could have been the guy yesterday. By her saying it could have been the delivery guy from yesterday, that made me think it had something to do with USPS. But she probably didn't even look at the package to actually see what it was. Okay, so I'm not trying to point no fingers, but all I know is my package got dropped off to an apartment complex, not to my crib, and the box was open. So I'm just glad that I got it. The main purpose of that video was to just let you guys know, just keep an eye out on your package, just keep watching the tracking, etc. Again, it wasn't trying to blame nobody, wasn't trying to point no fingers at FedEx, USPS, UPS, but somebody did deliver my package to another address. I'm just glad that she peeped it out. A lot of people saying the post office cannot touch FedEx or UPS stuff, so maybe that's why she left it right there, because it wasn't theirs. But if it wasn't theirs, why would she say it could have been a delivery person from yesterday because she didn't work the route? That threw me for a loop. It's all good. I'm just glad I got my stuff. On to what we're about to talk about now. Army, since COVID has happened, since we've been on quarantine, whatever you want to call it, man, a lot of people have been taking L's. A lot of releases are hard, harder to cop. For instance, the Air Jordan 7 Greater Chinas, I feel like if it wasn't for bots and if it wasn't for COVID, them suckers would not have sold out. That's just being straight up. And I'm a Jordan 7 lover. I didn't even get them. I took an L on them. I'm probably going to grab them later on down the line. But here's the thing. I always tell you guys, you have to adapt with the current times. People are not buying sneakers like they was buying them in 2000, 2001, 02, 03, 04, 05, 06, 07, 08, 09, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015. We're not buying sneakers like we were 5 years ago, 10 years ago. And we have to go with the times. If you going to stick to what it used to be, man, I remember when the sneaker game was this, you gonna take L's. If you ain't downloading apps, you gonna take L's. If you ain't got sneakers app, you gonna take L's. Because of the current times that we in. So this video is to, I just smacked my face with this string. This video is to inform you guys on a cook group that's out here. Now, for those who don't know what a cook group is, you gotta download the Discord app. If you don't know what the Discord app is, we got a lot to catch you up with, but cook groups are basically groups. We have moderators and administrators in a certain group, and they send out links letting people know when stuff restock, letting people know, Supreme just dropped this, Nike just dropped this. So it's a group that helps you enhance your chances on actually copping shoes for retail, copping restocks, etc. Some cook groups you can even, buy, sell, or trade in them. And one thing I do like about the cook groups is that cook groups, for the most part, it's not an enormous group. I don't know any cook groups that got over like 300 members in it. The ones I'm in probably got like between 20 to 50 members in it, and I like that close-knit group because it allows people to help each other out. The owner of this cook group is some of my good buddies, Marco and Alvin. If you guys have watched our SneakerCon videos, you might have seen them in either my video, Flight video, Snipe video. I know Jumpin' Man Chris, I know Flight has done some promotion for their cook group as well. Good thing about their cook group is that once you are a member of their cook group, and to enter into their cook group, click the link in the description section below. Use promo code BREAK5 to give you $5 off your first month. Now, good thing about their cook group is that they give you one free slot. Now, for those who don't know what slots are, when you have a bot, when people have bots, they have things called slots, auto checkouts. So it enhances your chance of actually getting a pair. I know Snipe has got a few pair of Adidas, Ben and Marco and Alvin's cook group. I'm currently in a couple cook groups. The pro that I have about being in them is that I know the admins personally, so I don't have to, really be in them as much, because sometimes the cook groups can be a little bit hard to adjust to. You're getting a lot of messages, you're getting a lot of links sent to you, so it just takes some time to adjust to it. But these guys sent me a full list of some dope things that make their cook group just a little bit better than most of the average cook groups. One of the dope things about their group is that they have free slots for members for every single release that comes out. So you get one free slot for every single release, whether it's a Nike, Adidas, Supreme, whatever it is, they give you one free slot. Now, if you want multiple slots, of course it has a price, but I would rather pay maybe like $25 to $50, depending on the shoe, per slot than just going and paying $350 for the shoe. For instance, if you was in this group and they had one free slot for the biohacks, and then you could get like 3 or 4 more slots for an additional $50. Let's say for that $50 plus what retail was on the biohacks, you wind up paying $230 for the biohacks instead of going on StockX or buying from me or buying from anybody and paying more than $230. Okay, the good thing is they have early links. So similar to what like Soul Links and J23 do when Foot Locker or Nike or whoever restocks on a certain shoe, they send out the link. So if you're on a cook group, most cook groups send out links before J23 and Soul Links. So by you being in that group, they're going to send out the links to when, like, if the biohacks was to restock tomorrow, boom, they send you out that link. They send you out links for Supreme, Adidas, Nike, anything that's hot. It could be whatever is hot, whatever's trending right now, and whatever got a resale value that a lot of people are trying to grab. They're going to send out all those links in that one cook group. Now, as far as restocks, they mentioned that they have the best monitors tracking every restock for every drop. So once they get those alerts that boom, something just restocked, they instantly send it out. But like I say, these cook groups enhance your chance. Just by joining a cook group does not automatically mean every release you're going to get a W. Every release you do an auto slot, you're going to get a W. It does not mean that. It's enhancing your chances. Now this is something that's dope about their cook group that I've yet to see in other cook groups. They do legit checks. But these guys actually have someone that can look at the pictures and be like, ah, bro, nah, them off. Or nah, bro, you straight. So I like that aspect. Another thing that's fire, because most cook groups, they have one person or 2 people running bots. This particular cook group actually helps you or can teach you how to set up and run your own bots if you are willing to learn. Like myself, I don't want to learn how to run bots. I'm just one of those, hey bro, yeah man, look, those Jordan 14s come out, they slim in the city, bro. Run me a bot for size 11, 11 and a half. You know what I'm saying? Here go my information. I want to be quick like that. I don't want to have to load 5 computers up. I'm not computer savvy like that. So these guys, they can actually teach you how to run your own bot, which I think is fire. Another thing that's dope that's outside of sneakers, because I know a lot of people who deal with sneakers deal with stocks. So they have something called stocks and crypto investing, where they, help you out with investing in stocks, what stocks you should invest in, what stocks you should pull out your money, cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency was big a few years ago. They help you guys out with all of that. They also have investing tips. They have holder sales. So pretty much some of the things that I do, but probably on a more grander scale. And with these cook groups, being in the groups, I feel like you have more people to help you out. So it's kind of like a dialogue of like 30 people. So if you got 100 people in your cook group, you ask a question, you might have different, opinions from different people, but these people might give you different outcomes that may actually help you out. So I like that as well. Just getting different feedback from multiple people is great. They also have exclusive partnerships for discounted proxies. So proxies is when you use for like running bots, group buys, discount finish line accounts, Nike sneakers accounts, Adidas, and more. Every single raffle with raffle monitors. So it's just a lot of good pros that I see with this group. And again, Army, you can use promo code BREAK5 to get $5 off your first month. Again, the link is in the description section below. And again, I must let you guys know, because I don't want y'all hitting me up like, Break, I joined this group and I ain't been taking no W's. You still got to be fast with it. Like I said, this is pretty much the blueprint to help you guys enhance your chances of grabbing W's, but it's not a foolproof plan, it's not a foolproof that you are going to get that W. And what I mean by that is that you still got to put in your work. If they send you out that alert, you got to be fast with it. You got to have your alerts on. And again, like I tell you, those alerts going to be coming in time after time. So you're going to be on your phone getting alerts, and you got to just make sure you click on that link at the right time. Boom, it's going to take you straight to the website. Make sure you have all your information in, etc., and you will be good, Army. So again, let me know if you guys have any additional questions. Army, as of right now, the group is technically sold out. And the only way you can get in is clicking the link in the description section below. That's the only way you can get in. And again, to get that $5 off your first month. Okay, so again, Army, I've hit a couple restocks simply because of being in Discord groups. I'm not in there talking, ha, you know, asking questions, answering questions. I'm in there strictly for like the restocks, the links. You know what I'm saying? Like, they even help you with auto slots, all that stuff, Army. And Discord group is not for everybody, but those who actually use it and utilize it correctly, they never have any issues with it, Army. Again, Army, this is just your chance to enhance your chances of winning. Again, this is not 100% guaranteed that when you join this group, or if you join this group, you're going to get every single W. I'm not saying that, okay? But if you learn how to use the Discord group, if you maximize the opportunities in there, I guarantee you will probably increase your chances of grabbing those W's. And again, I know a lot of people with Discord groups, so Army, y'all probably be hearing from me from different members in different groups as well, Army. So I'm just trying to help y'all out, because a lot of people are complaining. I get more people complaining about break. We taking L's, break the bots. And I say, if you're going to be mad, but find a solution to get those W's. So either you're going to sit there and be mad and continue taking those L's, or you're going to adapt to the current times. These are the current times. Bots are taking over. Cook groups are helping people who A, don't have bots, or B, who know people who run bots. Like these amens, they run bots in these cook groups. But again, Army, best of luck for those who do join. Again, if you have any questions, let me know. I will direct you guys to the admins of the Discord group. Unbreakable Army, love you guys. You got the Unbreakable Vote. You got your boy Unbreakable Army. Stay strong like always. Hug your loved ones. And we out.